LaSalud.mx, porque la salud es primero. Presenta la entrevista.
Doctor Lance Hu, ¿cuál es el propósito de su visita a México?
The purpose of my visit is to grow the awareness of United Imaging in public research institutes in Mexico, because we see a huge potential for the collaboration of all these top academic research institutes in Mexico with United Imaging on both clinical side and also on the research side.
¿Cuál es la importancia que tiene United Imaging alrededor del mundo?
Yeah, United Imaging, we started from Shanghai, from Chinese market. Our first generation of the product started to get into the global market in 2018. In the past 8 years, we started collaboration with many top academic centers all around the world. For example, in the United States, we work with Martina Center in Harvard Medical School, Yale University, UC Davis, Washington University, St. Louis, and we also have very good collaboration with many other regions in developing countries, such as India, such as Middle East, and we look forward to grow the collaboration with research institutes in Mexico because we believe healthcare and imaging is highly personalized. We have to collaborate to really develop advanced and new features to address the localized clinical needs and also to grow the awareness of the overall radiology society of Mexico globally.
La integración entre hardware, software e inteligencia artificial se ha vuelto esencial en diagnóstico por imagen. ¿Cómo está respondiendo United Imaging a esta necesidad de soluciones más completas, conectadas y orientadas a resultados clínicos?
Yeah, we believe as an imaging device and imaging solution provider, we have to improve the workflow from end to end. That's why we developed what's so-called full stack, full spectrum AI. We use artificial intelligence and fully integrate the advanced AI algorithm into the hardware and software to allow a streamlined workflow from the very moment when the patient walks into the scanning room to the minute when the reading physician to get the patient history and get the clinical image from the scanner. So we believe having AI to empower every single step throughout the diagnostic chain will significantly improve the overall efficiency of a radiation oncology and radiology operation here in Mexico and all around the world. And we see the trend in radiology to go into a more integrated approach. We believe in the future, radiology with all the great AI features can be more accessible and more patients by the end of the day will benefit from this latest technology.
En mercados como México y América Latina, donde la modernización tecnológica representa tanto una oportunidad como un reto, ¿qué estrategias considera fundamentales para acelerar la adopción de plataformas de imagen multimodal de última generación?
We believe the imaging device should be much easier to use. That's why from day one we have pretty much harmonized software design for all the imaging devices that United Imaging is providing, starting from X-ray to CT to MR and PET-CT. The operation of this scanner, the user interface is pretty consistent. So once technologists know how to use one scanner, one modality, he or she immediately can pick up how to operate other imaging modalities. And on top of that, because of the nice AI features that have been integrated into the workflow of all the modality, the operation of these scanners are becoming easier and easy for the technologists to understand. And by the end of the day, with all the workflow improvement and imaging quality improvement, the more patients can be scanned on a single scanner, and that gives better accessibility to the general population here in Mexico.
En alianza con EYMSA, ¿qué visión tiene para fortalecer el acceso a tecnología médica de alta especialidad en la región y cómo esperan impactar la calidad diagnóstica y la atención al paciente?
we think the imaging solution is, rather than an independent scanner here and there, it's really a comprehensive solution. So that's why, in addition to the hardware and software innovation, on top of the advanced systems at very affordable price that we're providing, we are also providing comprehensive clinical training, technology training, local service to all our users. And in addition to that, especially for today's workshop, most of the attendees are from academic institutions here. We are also putting a lot of focus on fostering academic industry partnership here in Mexico. We already started our local global scientific collaboration team here. We have local scientists who is going to work on a daily basis with the key opinion leaders, leading physicians, scientists here, really to advance the medical science in radiology and radiation oncology right here in Mexico City. Very soon, we really hope that through this collaboration, we can develop some nice features that, as addition to our system, our solutions, that are specifically designed for unique needs from Mexico radiology field. And also, we hope some of these nice results can be published on the world-renowned publication, peer-reviewed journals, and really have a global impact from them.
¿Algo que quiera agregar?
I think another thing I would love to mention is that we really hope like we can create a global ecosystem to have the top academic centers in Mexico. Through United Imaging, we will work as a bridge so that we can facilitate not only collaboration within Mexico, but also the collaboration with different countries, and with Mexico collaborating with the States, with China, with many other countries all around the world. And United Imaging is a global company. We are dedicated to provide the best technology, best service, best research support as well to local Mexican academic institutions. And through today's workshop, it's just a starting point and show our dedication to grow the academic industry partnership in Mexico City. We look forward to work with more institutions in Mexico, and more importantly, through this collaboration, we hope it can make the product more suitable to the real local Mexican needs and create global impact through top peer-reviewed journal publications.
LaSalud.mx